Hello friends, I am Sampada Kulkarni welcomes you in my channel Tech Talks. In this video series, I am explaining you the concept of linked list. Before moving to the content, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel Tech Talks and keep the bell ringing. First of all, let's see different types of linked list which I have already explained in my previous video in the introduction of linked list, from which in this video session I am explaining you the concepts related to singly linked list. So the concept which I am going to cover in this video session is operations on singly linked list. So which operation I am going to cover? I am going to cover the operation, search a particular node from a singly linked list. So among these different operations, I am covering the concept search operation. Now let's consider this is a linked list with me and I have to search any particular node from this list, whether this node is present in my linked list or not. So to search a node from a singly linked list, our first step is to accept a key which we want to search as a node from a linked list. So now let's accept a key from user. Now let's consider I want to search a node whose information part or whose data part is 20. So I want to search this particular node. So this is the node which I want to search. Now as we both of us are having brain, and after seeing to the linked list we will be able to understand, and again there are very few nodes are available with my list, so that's why I am able to see, I am able to judge, I am able to search a particular node from a linked list. But the computer is not having brain. We have to give some instructions to the computer so that our program will help to search a particular node. So now to start a searching, we have to traverse a list. So while traversing a list, we have to compare every node or its data part with the key node, whether they are equal or not. If key founds, that is if both are equal, we will say that search is successful, otherwise search is unsuccessful. It means that after traversing a whole linked list, we are at the end of the list, and till we are not able to search any particular node which we want to search, it means that all the comparisons are unequal. It means that the search is unsuccessful. Now let's start with the searching for node whose data part is 200. Let's start with the head. Now all of you are knowing how to traverse a linked list. So traversal is the operation that we are going to use while performing a search operation. So you must know how to traverse a linked list, that I have already covered in my previous video session, in which I have covered the concept of creation of linked list as well as traversal of linked list. If you don't know the concept how to traverse a linked list, so I suggest you that please go through that video and then you will be able to search a particular node. So now let's start with the head and make head as a current node. While making head as a current node, it means that we are going to focus on this current node whose information part is 10. Then our next task is to compare the information part of a current node which is 10 with the key node key value which is 200. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. If they are not equal, what we supposed to do? We have to move forward to the next node. How we supposed to move forward to the next node? We will update current to the current ka next or next of current. So what is there in the next field of a current node? It is nothing but the address of a next node. So now let's make this node as a current node. Here I am making this as a current node and I am focusing on this particular node. Now as I am focusing on this particular node, I have to compare its information part with the node which I want to search, whether they are equal or not. They are not equal. What does it mean? It means that currently this node is not equal to our search key value. So do need to go forward? Yes, we supposed to go forward by moving to the next of a current equal to current node. Means I have to move to the next node with the help of its next part or reference to the next node. So now let's focus on this node by making this as a current node, and after focusing on this node, here you can see that after comparison of both the nodes, here we can say that the node and its information part and the key value both are equal. It means that our search is successful. As our search is successful, we can stop over here. As far as the searching of a node is concerned, the search is successful and we need to stop at this position. So in this way we can search a node from the singly linked list. Now let's take one more example for the same. Let's follow the same sequence or steps. The first step is to accept a key to search a node from a user. So now let's consider I want to search a node whose information part is 40. What the next step is, we need to traverse a list as we have traversed a list in a previous example in the same way, starting from a head node. If key found, search is successful, otherwise search is unsuccessful. We have to perform this traversal till end of the list, or either at the end of the list or key found, correct? If the key found, search is successful. If key not found, move forward for the next node. Let's again check. If it is not, then move forward. Then you have to perform this continuously till either search is successful or you are at the end of the list. And if you are at the end of the list, it means that search is unsuccessful. So now let's start with the head node, make it as a current node, focus on this node. Let's compare 10 with 40. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So that's why move forward, make the second node as a current node, focus on it and compare. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Again move forward for the next node, make this as a current node, and now let's check whether its information part is equal to the key value. Again they are not equal. Make this as a current node. After making this as a current node, focus on this node and let's check whether they are equal. No, again they are not equal. Make this last node as a current node, focus on it. Let's compare 300 with 40. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. But is there any node remaining which we have not traversed yet in the given singly linked list? No, we are at the end of the list. How could we come to know that we are at the end of the list? By checking the next field of every node. If it is null, we have to stop. It means that we are at the end of the list. And now as we are at the end of the list, we have traversed, we have checked, we have compared every node with the key value and they are not equal. That's why we have moved forward and now we are at the end of the list. It means that our search is unsuccessful. The node which we want to search is not present in the given list. It means that the search is unsuccessful. So in this way we can perform the search operation. Now you must be having a question in your mind that when we can use this search operation. So as I explained previously that there are different operations that we can perform on a singly linked list, among which the insert and delete, these two operations are there, in which we are going to perform this search operation, or we are taking the help of this search operation to insert a node after any particular node. So that any particular node that you have to search with the help of this search operation. Or if you want to delete any node from the linked list, that any node you supposed to search first of all, and if it is present, then and then only you will be able to delete that. So in both the cases we supposed to use this search operation. That's why before moving to the insert and delete operation, you must have to know the concept of searching of a node from a given linked list. So thank you all dear friends for listening and watching my video. If you like the video and the content, please do not forget to give the comment. Along with this, I am providing you a shortcut link for the subscription of my channel Tech Talks. Please do subscribe my channel. And here I am providing you a shortcut link for the next video session of this video series, and the whole video series I am providing you in the form of playlist. Thank you and stay tuned with Tech Talks. Thank you.